8v8 mayhem is here. Finally, Blue Lock 8v8. You can play 8 versus 8. Join up, join up, join up, join up. New codes, new codes. There's some new codes inside of the 8v8 mayhems. You can play 8 versus 8, and this is the last time you'll be able to buy this new Charles bundle. Otherwise, it's gonna be gone. I mean, the time is already expired, so if you didn't buy it, then you don't gonna get it. You're not gonna get it. The first code is going to be 8v8 mayhem. 8v8 mayhem. That's the first code that you need to redeem. Chirolo. 20 minutes. 8v8 mayhem. Don't miss out on any of these codes. Redeem every single one of them. Like this video and subscribe. If you do need Robux, comment down below a heart emoji. You heard me right. Comment down below a heart emoji in the comments down below if you do want Robux. So go ahead and comment that down and you're good to go. Next code is Charles time. 10 lucky spins. 10 lucky spins for the next code. Redeem every single one of these codes. So we got the next code is TONGUES out. Tongues out. Okay. Tongues out. Hashtag tongues out. I'm playing Blue Lock. Tongues out. Hashtag tongues out. Roblox in a nutshell. Delay sorry. Delays sorry. Like, this guy is asking for minutes. Miro, it's already over. It's over. Don't you get it? Goal hit. 1.5 million. Goal hit. 1.5 million goal hit. Alright, so you can play 8 versus 8 Blue Lots right now. So you have 8 times more chance. Wait, it's 16 times more chance. 16 times more chance to see a cutscene in Blue Lock. How amazing. Don't you love watching these cutscenes? Just cutscene after cutscene after cutscene.